In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix audio out of sync on Twitter or X account. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network because a weak or unstable connection can cause audio and video to fall out of sync. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the issue. Next, restart the X app. Simply close the app completely and reopen it. This can fix temporary glitches affecting playback. After that, head over to App Store or Play Store, search by the app Twitter or X. Then, if you find the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Updates often fix bugs like audio syncing issues. If the problem still continues, try reinstalling the app. Press and hold on the Twitter app. Select the option Remove, click on Delete app and confirm it. Then head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app and install it. And that's it. These are some simple fixes for audio out of sync. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.